Baby Pad, portable diaper changing pad cushioned by MoComfy is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. MoComfy portable baby changing station is the real lifesaver for new parents. That's why it's a useful, unique and stylish baby shower gift. Hit the button, and keep your baby clean and happy. This premium portable on-the-go changing station is the ideal solution for on-the-move parents. Ensures that your baby is always clean, comfortable and happy. You can strap it to your wrist, clip it to your stroller, or drop it into a bag. Thanks to the three storage pockets, the MoComfy unisex portable changing station bag has plenty of storage for diapers, creams, wipes, toys, and personal items, makes it perfect for shopping or errands. Safe for your baby. Each changing pad is made with ultra-safe and free of all toxic chemicals, PVC, BPA, and phthalates-free, skin-friendly and odor-free, lead-free materials to ensure your baby is perfectly safe. The manufacturer guarantee your 100% satisfaction with this adorable diaper changing pad kit. Durable and stylish. High quality, leather touch, durable fabric, large capacity with lightweight, waterproof and easy to clean. No longer need to worry about the liquid splashed on the diaper bag or mat. A gently wiping could reappear the original clean. Waterproof changing mat cushioned pillow, plenty of storage. Every portable baby mat comes with large waterproof cushion pad, and it also features a built-in pillow support for your little angel's head while you're changing them for convenient support. Portable, travel-friendly, and a wonderful baby shower gift idea. Each baby changing pad features a built-in carry handle and wrist stroller strap for convenience. MoComfy portable baby bag is the real lifesavers for new parents. That's why they make the perfect present for baby showers and expectant mothers.